Welcome to my YouTube channel, King Tech. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind in the tech world, the Cybersecurity Roadmap for 2025. As we navigate through an increasingly digital landscape, understanding the future of cybersecurity is more crucial than ever. The cybersecurity landscape is evolving at a breakneck pace, with new threats emerging daily and technologies advancing rapidly. As we look towards 2025, it's clear that organizations and individuals alike need to be prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let's start by examining the current state of cybersecurity. In recent years, we've seen a dramatic increase in the frequency and sophistication of cyber attacks. From ransomware incidents that have crippled major corporations to data breaches that have exposed millions of users' personal information, the stakes have never been higher. This trend is only expected to continue as we approach 2025, with cybercriminals becoming more organized and leveraging advanced technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to carry out their attacks. But it's not all doom and gloom. The cybersecurity industry is rising to meet these challenges head-on. One of the key areas of focus in the coming years will be the adoption of zero-trust architecture. This approach assumes that no user, device, or network should be trusted by default, even if they're already inside the organization's perimeter. By implementing continuous authentication and authorization, organizations can significantly reduce their attack surface and minimize the impact of potential breaches. Another critical component of the 2025 Cybersecurity Roadmap is the increased emphasis on cloud security. As more businesses migrate their operations to the cloud, securing these environments becomes paramount. We can expect to see advancements in cloud-native security solutions, improved encryption techniques, and more robust identity and access management systems. Cloud service providers will also play a crucial role in enhancing their security offerings, working closely with their customers to create a shared responsibility model for protecting sensitive data and applications. Artificial intelligence and machine learning will continue to be game changers in the cybersecurity field. By 2025, we anticipate seeing AI-powered threat detection and response systems that can identify and neutralize threats in real time, often before human analysts even become aware of them. These technologies will also be instrumental in automating routine security tasks, allowing cybersecurity professionals to focus on more complex and strategic initiatives. Speaking of cybersecurity professionals, addressing the skills gap in the industry will be a critical priority on the road to 2025. With the demand for skilled cybersecurity experts far outpacing the supply, organizations will need to invest heavily in training and development programs. We'll likely see an increase in cybersecurity boot camps, specialized degree programs, and on-the-job training initiatives aimed at cultivating the next generation of cybersecurity talent. The Internet of Things, IoT, presents both opportunities and challenges for cybersecurity in the coming years. As more devices become connected, the potential attack surface expands exponentially. By 2025, we can expect to see more robust security standards for IoT devices, as well as improved network segmentation techniques to isolate these devices from critical systems. Edge computing will also play a role in enhancing IoT security by processing data closer to the source, reducing the risk of interception during transmission. Quantum computing is another technology that's set to revolutionize the cybersecurity landscape. While still in its early stages, quantum computers have the potential to break many of the encryption algorithms we rely on today. As we approach 2025, we'll see increased investment in quantum-resistant cryptography and the development of new encryption standards that can withstand attacks from quantum computers. Regulatory compliance will continue to be a driving force in shaping cybersecurity practices. With regulations like GDPR and CCPA already in place and new ones on the horizon, organizations will need to adapt their security strategies to meet evolving legal requirements. This will likely lead to increased adoption of privacy-enhancing technologies and a greater focus on data protection by design and default. As we look towards 2025, It's clear that collaboration will be key in addressing cybersecurity challenges. We can expect to see more public-private partnerships, information sharing initiatives, and cross-industry collaborations aimed at combating cyber threats. Threat intelligence sharing platforms will become more sophisticated, allowing organizations to stay ahead of emerging threats and respond more effectively to incidents. One area that's often overlooked but will gain prominence in the coming years is the human factor in cybersecurity. While technological solutions are crucial, human error remains one of the biggest vulnerabilities in any security system. By 2025, we'll see a greater emphasis on security awareness training, phishing simulations, and cultivating a culture of security within organizations. This holistic approach will help ensure that employees at all levels understand their role in maintaining a strong security posture. Mobile security will also be a key focus area as we move towards 2025. With the increasing prevalence of remote work and bring your own device (BYOD) policies, securing mobile devices and the data they access will be critical. We can expect to see advancements in mobile device management solutions, secure communication apps, and biometric authentication methods for smartphones and tablets. Blockchain technology, while often associated with cryptocurrencies, has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity practices. By 2025, we may see blockchain being used to create tamper-proof audit trails, secure digital identities, and enhance supply chain security. The decentralized nature of blockchain could also help mitigate the risks associated with centralized data storage and single points of failure. As we wrap up our look at the Cybersecurity Roadmap for 2025, it's clear that the future of cybersecurity is both exciting and challenging. Organizations and individuals alike will need to stay vigilant, adapt to new technologies, and continuously update their security strategies to stay ahead of evolving threats. Remember, cybersecurity is not just a technical issue, it's a business imperative and a societal concern. As we move towards 2025, we all have a role to play in creating a safer digital world. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional, a business leader, or simply someone who uses technology in your daily life, staying informed and proactive about cybersecurity is crucial. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the Cybersecurity Roadmap for 2025. I hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, King Tech, for more content on cybersecurity, technology trends, and digital innovation. Stay safe out there in the digital world, and I'll see you in the next video.